Okay, you guys, so I made my plate. Um, one thing about these tacos, you got to hurry up and eat it and stuff. But what I did on my husband's plate, you will see in this video, I just only see how it tastes with cheese and stuff. You see this right here? Move that spoon. I just only put on one. But you guys, this meat, I marinate this meat. Oh my god. But this is how they use this on to make it the carne asada taco. That's the only thing they made. They just put some onion, cilantro, and that's it. And then they use some sauce. And I'm gonna use this kind of sauce on it, you guys. I be seeing this if you go to a Mexican restaurant. I be seeing they be using this as well, but this is the one I'm gonna use. And I got me some extra little jalapeno if I want some on it. And that's my Spanish rice and my pinto bean. So I am hungry like Marvin. I'm to eat. But anyway, if you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video, okay? Like I said, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up if you don't mind. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, you guys, and this is what I'm drinking on, you guys. Yes. But I'm going to put some of this, since it's already open, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this in the middle of it. Okay, and this I seasoned, because like I said, I marinate this meat overnight, you guys. And my husband said this is hot, but I'm not going to. I love hot food, but this is how much I'm gonna put on first to see how I'm doing it. Yes. Okay. Alrighty. And I missed to see how I know the meat is good because I already taste the meat. So I know the meat is seasoned well. I guarantee. But anywho, I want you guys to get the first bite. I don't mind. Go ahead. Go right ahead. Yes. Sorry about that. They're just going to have to stay there until I take my bite. Oh my goodness. That is good. You taste my famous bean. Guys, get that bite. By this garlic. That's good. Especially with the bean. God, get that. Go ahead. Huh? Wow. That is delicious. Yes. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. But you want to watch how I prepare this meal, just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Hello you guys and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today what I'm cooking in my kitchen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and post this when I season my meat, and because I did show you guys how I season this meat, but I will post it in this video as well, because this been I put this in my freezer, so it's been in the freezer last week, so it's more marinade. Let's see, and this is what I am cooking, you guys. It's the organic carne asada taco. Okay, I don't have my flour. Well, I'm using the corn tortilla to make my tacos. Okay, so that is what I'm cooking for dinner. That right there, organic carne asada taco. And these is my topping, you guys. I already cut up. I might use some red onion, but just in case if it ain't want no red onion. But this is what I first. What you do is when you make your taco, of course you're going to have cilantro. What is it? Right here. First, when you cook your meat, then you know, when you do your quantity, then you put cilantro, a little white onion, and I might put red onion. It all depends. That's my jalapeno, and this is radish. Okay, so this is the topping. Easy, easy, easy. Sometimes people use queso cheese with the sweet taco, but I'm not gonna use that. Okay, so that is my meat. So I will put when I seasoned this meat last week. Okay, that's my meat, my carne asada meat. Okay, now I'm gonna on the side. I'm gonna cook. These are my side dish. I'm gonna cook some Spanish style rice, and of course I'm gonna cook some pinto bean. And this is the ingredient that I'm adding with my canned pinto bean. Yes, here it says I'm going canned. Usually I don't do canned, but hey, I just want something quick. So what I did, I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato. And if you want to, this is the season that I'm using for my canned pinto bean. I'm using garlic powder. Oh, I got garlic powder, onion powder. I like this right here, you guys. A lot of Mexican people, they use that. And I just use a sprinkle of that. Chili powder, of course. Sometimes you don't have to add chili powder. I know a lot of Mexican people, they don't use chili powder. Just leave that out. I'm just doing it because of the season. Oregano, cumin, red pepper, garlic salt, black pepper. Yep, that's a lot of seasoning, but usually I just use about a half a teaspoon of each, okay? And that's sea salt. Now, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks because it's cooking. See? That's why, even though, that's why I don't want to make my video so long, so that's why I jumped ahead. But I did show you guys every season. Oh, no, put some diced onion in as well. See that diced onion? Yes. Alrighty. So now my beans is on. Just remember, these beans is already cooked up. You know, you want the season. You want to, and you know what? If you guys ever taste my canned bean, you would never think, never think that it was canned pinto bean. I guarantee. And this right here is so easy, cause it's just you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. I think 30 seconds, yes. And it should show you, you know, how long to cook it, okay? And that's it. That is my dinner, you guys. Okay, so you guys, I'm just gonna do only 4 strip beef rib. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the other one I'm gonna put it back in my refrigerator. Okay? Alright. This meat is for my carne asada tacos, okay? Okay, so I got in my air fryer. Go ahead and put it in. Okay, you guys, next time when I do this meat, I will definitely, cause most of the, when you do carne asada, they do this over a grill, open fire grill. You know, on their barbecue pit or grill, but it has to be open fire. So next time I will do it, cause I got plenty of this meat left, so I will do it on the grill. Have me some good. I'm not gonna say how I'm cooking it now. It's not gonna be good, but it's probably gonna be better when you cook this kind of meat on the grill. Okay. Alrighty. See, and this is it, you guys. So I will see you guys when I make my plate. Okay, you guys, so the meat is ready. And now what I'm gonna do, and I save some of this little stuff when I put it in the microwave. I mean, my air fryer. But I'm just to cure it up and stuff, okay? Yep, that's how it look. And I taste a little bit of it. Oh my God, good season, I guarantee. Okay, you guys, so I cut up all my meat. That's how it look. Yes. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this with the extra sauce. Kind of like pour it in like that. If it could come out. Have to probably do it with my spatula. Okay, but that's how it look. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to make my carne asada taco. There's the meat, and this is the corn tortilla I'm using. You don't have to they don't put cheese on it, but anywho, you can put cheese if you want to. My rice is done. That's the Spanish rice, and the famous beans. Okay, so now I'm going to make them. Now I'm going to heat up my corn tortilla, and like I said, this is the topping to go on it. Yes. And this right here, you guys don't pay attention to that. You know, I just got that in with the onion. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, so I don't think you have to do with just heat this. That's all. Okay, so I warmed up the corn tortilla. Now let's put the meat. And you got, this is my husband's plate I'm making. And now I'm going to add the cilantro. You don't have to put too much on it, you guys, okay? Not too much. Okay, now I'm going to put diced onion. Just like that. Okay, you guys, so I did add, my husband wanted some red onion as well. So yeah. So I just went ahead and put some white and red. Again, you guys don't really have to put no cheese on it because sometimes it doesn't require when they make this. But anywho, I love cheese. Okay, and that's all the topping. I'm not gonna put this because my husband don't like this hot, but I will put it on mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and just melt the cheese. Okay, so there it is. That's my husband's plate, you guys. Alrighty, now I'm going to make my plate. And I'll see you guys when I'm to eat my taco. But I just want to show you guys how I look.